Little Evie is a bright and bubbly 2-year-old.
Very energetic, happy little Vegemite she's always on the go.
A little pocket
very
rocket.
active, yep. A little turbo, we call her.
But that wasn't always the case. Evie was sick for months after her birth, but despite seeing 2 paediatricians and a GP, her parents Erin and Matthew weren't given any answers. Evie was particularly unwell on a Saturday night in 2016, so Erin phoned the house call doctor.
During his examination, he asked us if we'd ever been told she had a heart murmur, and that was the first time that had been picked up.
Erin and Matthew say that discovery was the catalyst to finding out Evie had coarctation of the aorta, a potentially deadly heart condition which required surgery in Melbourne.
That's when it sort of really hit home. It's like, wow, there is, this whole time something has been wrong with our little girl, and I guess we were just fortunate that Dr. Tew sort of listened to us that night.
Today, Evie received another visit from the house call doctor. While Ben Coleman wasn't the GP who made the discovery 18 months ago, he knows the service is vital.
Timely access to doctors is very important for everybody, and after-hours services like house call doctor are an important part of that mix.
So grateful. We're very lucky.
Emily Arnold, 7 News.